Hey everybody, I got another package that we're gonna open today. So I'm gonna sit down on the floor, just give me a sec. Whoa. So it's rainy outside, and as you can see, a lot of bad weather. And I thought to myself, because I wanted to go out to working out, so I said, no way, no way, Jose. I'm staying at home and I'm gonna read me some fine comics. Now you can. Why is it so dull? I need to sharpen this. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not that I'm sitting at home and reading comics all day, although I really want to. But no, I'm busy with other things. So, what do we got here? Okay. Nice. No freebies. All right. So you go there with my skateboard and put this in the holder like I always do. And then we're gonna. Oops. Sorry. We're gonna check out this one, right? So as you can see, it's pretty. I want to say tight packed, but it's not. But you know that I'm okay with that. Let go. Oh, it is packaged anyway, so. So what is this? Oh, nice. All right. Let's start with this one. Karmen, Gulen March. I'm a big fan of Gulen March. He did, I believe, Gotham Sirens with Catwoman and Poison Ivy and something. And this is a Milo Manara cover, by the way. And I wanted to show you, but also I'm not sure if I should because there's a lot of nudity in here. And so it's about a woman that died, and there's some stuff in here, some weird stuff. And this is a death bringer, if you can see, or somewhere. I mean, it's not convoluted or complicated, but you know, it's hard to tell without. I mean, it's been a long time since I read a part of this book, but should I open? Okay, let's try this issue 5. Let's do a issue 2. I'm gonna regret this. Okay, let's open this up. It's a pretty good condition. I'm lucky that I have this floppies. And why can I get it out of? Oh, yeah, here we go. So. Okay, like I said, the first one is already nudity. So it's basically the soul, I believe, or the ghost of this woman that needs to go somewhere, but they are. All right, can do this. Yeah, maybe. Right. And other people cannot see her, but there's also some mystery in here with other dead people. And the art looks freaking awesome. I mean, look at the detail. I really like it. And basically, what I think is that she needs to solve some kind of a murder or a death of a person that accidentally died, but I'm not entirely sure. And there's some reality warping. Well, no, not reality warping, but you know, she's a ghost and people cannot see or hear her, but she wants to prevent something, you know, like here. And I think the art is really, really good. The colors are muted purposely, And oh yeah, this guy wants to have his, believe his wedding ring or his engagement ring, and it fell down here, but he's dead and he's now a ghost and cannot get out, right? And so yeah, they do some stuff here. So it's not an action movie. I'm sorry, an action book or a horror book. It's more, yeah. I'm not sure what the genre is. More like I don't know what the genre is. But hey, maybe we're gonna tackle this. But since I said there's a lot of nudity in here, because well, as you can see, the girl in question is nude. So I'm not sure we're gonna do it, but I'm gonna read the whole thing. I'm rambling, so let's go on to the next one. So I got me some Teen Titans. This is my very first Teen Titans from this era. You know, with the original Teen Titans. This is so cool, right? In pretty good condition too. Right? Look at this. The Fiddler. Also got me an Aquaman. And this is, I believe, the mini-series. Yeah. We can tackle this. And I believe I have number 1 somewhere lying around. So this is 2, 3, and 4. Is that correct? 2, 3, and 4, yes. Now I have to find the number 1. And then we're going to tackle this. This is pretty fun. Also got me Identity Crisis. The whole set. Yeah. Art is really good. I thought I already had this, but it seems I have not, I guess. Yeah, we're going to open this up. Let's see what this is all about. I know what the story is, but I totally forgot what the plot was. Oh yeah, there was the death of Sue Dibney, right? Art is really good. Ads, more ads. Jesus. So there's a murder mystery here. And, oops. Did I spoil it? Probably. Anything. But, you know, there's a... How old is this comic, by the way? Does it say here? This is from 2004. Probably most of you... Well, maybe we can gonna review this. Let's see. So, yeah, Identity Crisis. And then we have another brick here. Sorry guys, my throat is a little bit sore, and I woke up with an infected eye again. I got a lot of eye problems lately. I'm not sure why, you know, with infections and all that. Although I do nothing really weird or something. All right, what's this? Oh yeah, check this out. From Dark Horse. Wow. Just like other Dark Horse comics from this era, I have little knowledge about this, but I have them all, right? But I'm not sure how many volumes, but this is a pretty hardcore, balls to the walls series. And I believe there's multiple volumes. Grand and Wagner. Wait a minute. So, Doc Monkey, Alan Grant, Palmiotti. Yeah, wait, we're gonna open this up. Let's start with the. It doesn't matter which one. Yeah. Yeah. Listen. Hard, gritty, balls to the walls action. Grounded. Yep. This is what I like. Yeah, I like this a lot. I mean, he teamed up with Ghost, also that woman from Dark Horse. This one, yeah, this looks fun, man. I'm excited to read this after all the comics that I still need to read. So, but I'm gonna show you the covers, right? So, nice. Haley and Simmons. Should we open this up? Why not? I'm gonna show you a couple of them. Ghost is fantastic, by the way. And you can see the quality is still there when it comes to the art. Not sure about the writing, but we're gonna find out. Very nice colors indeed. I miss these panel layouts, right, from back in the day. It was way easier to read. Now it's all just flashy photoshopped images and all that stuff. Pretty cool. If you can get a hold of Ghost trade paperbacks, hardcovers, or floppies, I advise you. Well, I recommend you, probably that's the best word, to get it. It's pretty cool. So X, I hope it has the same quality. Well, it has the same art quality. So yeah, really, really looking forward to this. Man, what happened to Dark Horse? Why? I'm not sure why don't they revive this series, right? I mean, Ghost. I mean, she's still good looking. What's the word? It was a good. What just was a good book, right? I'm not sure why don't look at this. If they're gonna revive this, man, they're gonna put themselves on a map again. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and a lot of these covers that you say, "Hey, man, who's this guy? Let's open this up. I want to know. Let's buy this book." Wait a minute, Predator? Really? That's so cool. I'm gonna open this up too. Or is it just a cover? Is this a Frank Miller cover, by the way? This one. It has the same style, but I'm not sure if that's actually the case. Let's find out. Does it say here? Frank Miller. Yeah. See? Oh man, if this is a one shot, then we're gonna dive into this, right? Then we're gonna meet the character X, and we have this Predator crossover. This is so cool. This is so cool. This is so cool. Man, it's just exciting to look at. Wow. Man, I miss those days. All right. We have, yeah, like I showed you, this one, more Frank Miller stuff when it comes to covers. And we go back to the normal, well, not normal. Look at this. This is 23, 25, 20. Why did they do this? It's a little bit different. It has the same pose, but it's not copy paste because this gun is different. But all right, maybe a conscious and deliberate design. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Somebody said, "Hey Marinus, you need to check this out, Little Bird." So I have zero knowledge about this, what Little Bird actually is. I only heard that it's good, but I will be the judge of that. Because I am going to review then probably this. Well, I'm going to review this. It's because it's chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. All right, this sounds cool. I'm going to open it up because this is the last one. Never heard of it, by the way. Which is rare because mostly I'm on top of the newer stuff. I mean, that's a lie. There's a lot of comics coming out, but mostly I am pretty knowledgeable about what's coming out from Image Comics nowadays. Probably I missed this. And this is from, does it say? 2019. Well, that's why I didn't never heard about it, because I came back in 2019 because I was away for a couple of years when it comes to reading comics. I mean, I like the vistas. The detail is pretty there. So I'm not even sure what is this. Post-apocalyptic? Is this horror? Colors are nice. All right, it's a pretty thick book too. Quality is nice. Okay. Oops. Don't mess with Canadians. Lot of blood. I can respect that. All right. I think we're going to leave it here. We gotta take a look at this. Van Poelgeest. Darcy van Poelgeest. That's a Dutch name. Okay. Doesn't mean she is Dutch. Maybe she is American, but Van Poelgeest is a Dutch name. All right, guys. This is my collection that I've got with Little Birds, with X, with Identity Crisis, and with Karmen. Guys, let me know what you think about this. Yeah, we're gonna talk soon. Bye-bye.